Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare Ulundu Kanji, which is a traditional porridge prepared with rice and urad dal. This is a light and very healthy breakfast porridge. Urad dal is rich in proteins and strengthens bones and is best for growing kids and women. This mild porridge goes very well with any spicy chutney or pickle. This porridge is so light as well as flavorful and makes the best comfort food. To prepare this, I've taken 3/4 cup rice. You can use parboiled rice or raw rice for this porridge, but it's best to use parboiled rice. 1/4 cup whole white urad dal. You can also use black urad dal and that will give a dark color to the porridge. 1 cup normal milk or coconut milk. 1/4 cup grated coconut. If you're using coconut milk, grated coconut can be optional. 3 garlic cloves and 1.5 teaspoon salt. Wash rice and then drain all water. Rest for 15 minutes. Then mash and break the grains of rice. Rice should be broken to tiny grains. Dry roast urad dal. Urad dal changes color and becomes aromatic. Take them out in a bowl and let it cool. Then grind them to a coarse powder. In a cooking vessel, add 6 cups of water. Let it boil. Add broken rice, powdered urad dal, and garlic cloves. Give a good mix and let it boil. Now cook partially covered in medium flame until all water is absorbed by rice. When rice is getting cooked, we can prepare a quick chutney. Take 1/4 cup grated coconut, 1/2 cup mint leaves, 4 red chilies, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon salt, small piece of ginger and a small tamarind piece. Heat a tablespoon of sesame oil in a pan, add urad dal and toss until they change color. Add ginger, tamarind and red chilies. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add mint leaves and toss for 2 to 3 minutes. Now switch off flame. Add grated coconut. Add salt and combine well. Cool down completely, then grind them smooth. Now prepare tempering with 1 teaspoon mustard seed, few curry leaves and 1/4 teaspoon hing. Add the prepared tempering to chutney. Give a good mix. By this time, the porridge is well cooked. Now add salt and grated coconut. Combine well. Add warm milk at the time of serving. Add more milk depending on required consistency of porridge. Combine well. The urad dal porridge is now ready. This porridge tastes good both warm and cold. Pair it with the prepared spicy mint coconut chutney. Do prepare this healthy urad dal porridge and share your valuable feedbacks and comments on how you liked it. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to stay updated with all my future video uploads. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.